mission's over, kid. Head back. Convoy drop off. Stay there till I call you on your TACCOM.
But...
That's an order, soldier! Dom, let's move. Anya, you still here?
Still here, Marcus. Tell Dom I may have a lead on his wife, but it doesn't look...
Anya, what'd you find?
A lead on a Jane Doe, but it doesn't look like she... I'll fill you in later, Dom. I have to get back to control.
All right, Anya. Good luck.
Damn it!
Kill these grubs. Let's move. Ty, good to see you. What are we looking at?
Locust raid. Follow me.
Locust got some serious sacks coming in here like this.
Doubt it has anything to do with courage. They just don't realize they've been sent on a suicide run.
Maybe they're just desperate.
What do you mean?
Maybe the light mass bomb hit them harder than we thought. Or maybe something else is going down in the hollow. I don't know.
Heads up, Delta. Some of these patients have Rust lung. Okay, take position along these windows. I took the far side.
Okay, Delta, I'm back online. We have confirmed Locust presence in the hospital. I repeat, Locusts are in the hospital.
Yeah? Well, now we've got a power outage, too.
I'm on it. I'll keep you posted. Control out.
Hold fire till they're right below us. We want to get as many of them in the courtyard as we can.
Most of those supplies are actually fuel tanks, Delta. Part of the ambush.
Here they come. Get ready.
Now! Shoot the tanks! Nail these bastards! Yeah, eat them! Control! Where's the power?
Almost there, Delta. Got it. Door should be open now.
Thanks, Control. Delta out.
What'd you say these guys got?
Rust lung, emotion sickness. Cases have been popping up all over since the light mass bombing. It's a horrible way for a warrior to die.
Contagious?
They say it's not, but I'd keep my distance.
No argument here.
They're trying to fall back! Keep hitting them! Keep hitting them!
This is KR-75. Anyone verify what I'm seeing here? We have Locust inbound. Roger that, 75. Reavers inbound.
This is Control. Scramble King Ravens. All units on high alert.
Dom, Ty, take the other door. There are gears and civilians in this building.
Roger that. Keep us posted. Control, we have visuals on incoming Reavers.
Roger that, 75.
Reavers moving in from the north, approaching the hospital.
This is Control. Requesting reinforcements to the hospital. Sector 4 is under attack.
Roger. Over 1. I can't get a target lock. I'm in. I'm in. 1-8, I got that Reaper lined up.
Primary blockade has been overrun. Repeat, primary blockade has been overrun.
Mind if I...
Grubs are likely to be in the streets around the hospital now, Delta. Get ready.
Take cover!
Delta's here.
They're falling back! Reaver!
I hope you're bulletproof.
Control here, Delta. Locust are outside of the hospital, taking position in the streets, requesting assistance.
Roger, Control. We're on it.
This is Centaur 2-3, establishing position outside the hospital.